If you want to update your own Discord account and are wondering how to make a custom Discord theme, I've got just the thing for you. I'm Nona Blackman for Envato Tuts Plus, and in this video I'll show you how to make your own Discord theme using the Discord theme maker from Placeit. Placeit is an online design generator that makes professional branding, promotion, and marketing tools accessible to everyone. It provides you with high-quality designs, logos, videos, and mock-ups that you can customize online and download in a matter of minutes. Let's take a look at Placeit in action with the Discord theme maker. It's simple and easy to use, and you can customize any of the wonderful Discord themes on offer in no time at all. Go to placeit.net and type Discord themes in the search bar. Browse the templates, and when you find one you like, click on it. This will open up the Discord theme generator. Now move to the right side of your template and begin customization of your Discord theme by first selecting a background graphic. Next, choose a frame color. Now move to the left side of the Discord template and enter your text. When you're done, you can change the font and the font color to make your text really stand out and command attention. You can add additional text or logo if you need to as well. You can move and resize your text as needed. If you don't like what you've done, just hit the Reset Layout button to return to the default layout. When you're happy with your design, click the Download button at the top of the page. This will take you to the download page where you have two options for purchasing your Discord background. You can either pay a single fee for your Discord custom background, or sign up for a monthly or yearly subscription that offers you unlimited downloads of all Placeit's designs, mock-ups, logos, videos, and gaming templates. Now that you know how to get Discord themes with minimal fuss, let's take a look at some of the best Discord custom themes you can find at Placeit. If you want to try one of these terrific Discord templates, just click a link in the description below to download your favorite or browse the other terrific selections at Placeit. Did you enjoy this video? Then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Nona Blackman, and I'll see you next time.